Walmart doesn't run a universal sellback program for most products, so you can't just bring items back and get cash the way a resale shop works. By the end, you'll know what Walmart actually allows in 2026, which trade-in options still exist, and what to do instead if you want to turn old items into store credit or cash value. Here's how it really works. First, Walmart does not buy back used items like clothing, furniture, or general household goods. There's no system where you can walk in with old products and sell them directly to Walmart for money or credit. But there are a few exceptions tied to specific programs. The main one is electronics trade-in through Walmart's online trade-in partners. This is usually handled through third-party services linked from Walmart's website, not a direct in-store buyback. In these programs you enter your device details online, like a phone, tablet, or select electronics. The system estimates a value based on condition and model. If you accept the offer, you ship the item in using a prepaid label. Once it's inspected, you receive payment in the form of a gift card or another approved payout method depending on the program rules. The second option is recycling programs. Walmart accepts certain electronics for recycling in-store, but this is not a trade-in. That means you don't get paid for the item. It's only for responsible disposal of things like small electronics and batteries. Now here's what most people miss. Walmart's role here is mostly as a platform, not a buyer. The actual trade-in value comes from third-party partners that handle pricing, inspection, and payout. Walmart simply connects you to those services through its website or app. That's why trade-in values can vary depending on the partner and condition of your device. If you're trying to get the most value from old items, Walmart trade-in is usually best for electronics only. Everything else typically has to go through resale platforms or local marketplaces. The key idea is simple. Walmart is not a general buyback store, but it does support limited electronics trade-ins through external partners and recycling drop-offs. To sum it up, you can't sell most items back to Walmart directly. Electronics trade-ins are handled through third-party services, and in-store options are mostly for recycling only. Next step is simple. Check Walmart's trade-in page online before assuming any item qualifies, especially if it's a phone or tablet. If you want more clear breakdowns like this, subscribe for simple guides that cut through confusing store policies.